Hello all my natural hair angels out there, it's Ray Natural. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not taken the time to like and subscribe to this channel, please do so and hit the notification button to get all of my notifications. Today I'm going to be doing a deep conditioning mask. The mask of my choice is the Auntie Jackie's Fix My Hair Deep Conditioning Mask. So angels, if you know anything about me from watching my previous videos, natural hair videos, I like to make my own products to use in my hair to ensure that I'm getting all natural ingredients. Because I have not had the time to make my own mask, I'm going to be doing a review on this mask. And if you happen to know me personally, you know I am the frugal queen. The Auntie's Jackie line is very reasonable as far as natural hair products go. But disclaimer, you get what you pay for. So yes, it is paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, and has no petroleum. But the ingredients that it says, it includes like flaxseed oil, mango butter, shea butter, and a list of other ingredients. These ingredients are not forefront on the ingredients list, but this product is still marketed as a natural hair product. So we're going to get into it. I'm not going to say this hair is freshly washed, as I did wash my hair a couple of days ago and just applied leave-in to it. So I will be spraying my hair and applying the product as I go. But I want to show you all how I do so. Okay, so I have these two little puff balls in my hair. For convenience sake and sectioning off my hair, I just take a good section, spray it out with my spray bottle, add the product, and braid it up. Okay angels, our Auntie Jackie, my Auntie Jackie is seemingly doing her thing. Okay, so if you look at these twists, they're fairly juicy. I just want to show y'all how I'm applying the product to my hair. There's not much method to the madness. I'm just grabbing and going as far as the section, spraying it down with my aloe vera water mixture, and then being very generous with the products, focusing mainly on my ends because they need the fixing the most. My Auntie Jackie's is really doing her thing. As far as initial reviews, the product goes on fairly smooth. You can feel the moisture being added to your hair. Of course, I won't know until I rinse this out how well it is working. But yes, it glides on fairly well. I'm focusing on my ends as always, being very generous with the product from root to tip. So the directions recommend that you rinse the product out in 10 minutes or in 5 minutes if you're using it as a regular mask, 10 minutes under a heated cap. I'm just going to let my hair sit under a plastic bag for maybe 20-30 minutes and rinse it out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's the next day and I actually got some Vaseline on today. But yes, this is how I wore my hair to sleep. I just got my edges tied down and these little ponytails to help with the shrinkage. a little, not really. I'm going to be using my Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I really like it. It's almost gone. Some shea butter, organic shea butter, and Main Choice Growth Oil. So I'm just going to take these braids down and show you all the final look. Okay, I am impressed. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, Aunt Jackie, she did your girl right. My hair feels moisturized, feels fluffy. Since I've been intentional about growing my hair out and trying to take care of my hair weekly, do something to it, since this is my start pretty much, I think I am going to go through the family, the Aunt Jackie family, and test it out, because honestly it's not bad. My hair feels soft and moisturized. Frizz is, you know, I have to train my hair a little better, but overall I would recommend that deep conditioner. I'm still going to try to make my own, but for that price point, so I get it from Target for like $7.98 or something like that. That price point is really good for a deep conditioner. As you know, the natural hair products ain't cheap, so for your frugal girl, I would definitely recommend Aunt Jackie's. So thanks for watching my video. If you like the way I use this deep conditioner to style my hair in a sort of a braid out situation I got going on here, go ahead and comment below, like the video if you like the video, and as always, be blessed.